What is inheritance in OOP?
Inheritance is a key concept in object-oriented programming. It allows a new class, called a subclass, to reuse and extend the code of an existing class, known as a superclass. By inheriting properties and behaviors, subclasses reduce repeated code and make software design cleaner and more efficient.
How does inheritance enable code reuse?
With inheritance, you write common functionality once in a superclass. Subclasses automatically receive these features, saving time and effort. For example, if several types of vehicles share similar actions, a base vehicle class can define them. Cars, trucks, and bikes can then inherit those features and add their own unique behaviors.
Benefits: reducing duplication and maintenance effort.
Inheritance reduces duplication by centralizing shared code. When you update the superclass, all subclasses benefit from the change, making maintenance easier. This structure also helps avoid errors, since any improvements or bug fixes affect all related classes at once.
Improving scalability with inheritance.
As projects grow, inheritance makes it easier to add new features. You can introduce new subclasses without rewriting existing code. This modularity improves scalability, allowing software to evolve smoothly as requirements change. It also encourages clear, organized structures for large code bases.
Considerations and best practices.
While inheritance is powerful, it should be used thoughtfully. Overusing it can make code rigid or complex. Favor clear hierarchies and avoid unnecessary inheritance. Consider alternatives like composition when appropriate. Used wisely, inheritance remains a proven way to share code efficiently and foster scalable designs.